Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applock. In today's video, we're going to see how you can remove Applock if you forgot the password on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your settings. And in settings, you have to now scroll down and you see the option of screen time. Tap on screen time. And in here, you have to now scroll down and then you can see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. And in here, you can see content and privacy restrictions are currently turned on. You can simply just tap on this toggle button in order to turn it off. So if you have set your screen time passcode, then you will need to enter your screen time passcode in order to disable content and privacy restrictions. Since my phone does not have any screen time passcode, I can simply just tap on it and disable it just like this. Here you can see now your content and privacy restrictions are disabled. Now what you're going to do next thing is go to your main settings first. And on your main settings, now tap on General. After tapping on General, you have to now scroll down all the way down. You can see there's the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then in here, you can see the option of Reset. Tap on it. And in here, you can see there is the option of reset all settings. You have to tap on reset all settings and then reset all of your settings. That way, it will remove the app locks and then you will be required to enter your Wi-Fi passwords or other settings. And remember, it won't really remove any of your other data beside all these settings. And doing all of that will definitely remove your app lock from your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.